Learn 5 new C1 words today. Meaning, examples, and a short story for each word. We use spaced repetition, so you'll meet these words again in future videos. Let's begin with the first word. Anticipation. The feeling of expecting something to happen, especially something good or exciting.
She waited in anticipation for the concert to begin. The anticipation of a new job filled him with excitement. In anticipation of bad weather, the event was moved indoors.
Sarah stood at the train station, her heart racing with anticipation. She hadn't seen her best friend in over 2 years. When the train finally arrived, she ran forward, smiling from ear to ear. Can you make your own sentence with anticipation? Well done! Time for the second word. Undermine. To gradually weaken or damage something, especially someone's authority, confidence, or reputation.
Spreading false rumors can undermine your reputation. Corruption has undermined public trust in the government. Constant criticism will undermine a child's self-esteem.
Tom worked hard to build a good reputation at the company. However, a jealous coworker began to undermine his achievements by questioning his decisions. Eventually, Tom addressed the issue directly and earned even greater respect from his team. Can you come up with your own sentence using undermine? Perfect! Let's check out the third word. Lucrative. Producing a lot of money, profitable.
She turned her hobby into a lucrative business. The contract proved a lucrative opportunity for the company. The startup became lucrative after attracting major investors.
When Sophia started designing websites, it was just a side hobby. Eventually, a company offered her a lucrative contract to create a business website. That single project earned her more than a year at her old job, and she decided to go full-time. Your turn. Make a sentence with lucrative. Great job! Get ready for the fourth word. Inevitably. Used to say that something is certain to happen and cannot be avoided.
Inevitably, prices will increase if demand continues to grow. The decision will inevitably affect the company's future. If you skip practice, your skills will inevitably decline.
Ben ignored the warning signs on the hiking trail. Inevitably, he got lost deep in the forest as night began to fall. It took the rescue team several hours to find him and bring him back safely. How would you use inevitably in a sentence? Okay, now it's time for a useful idiom to finish our lesson. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely, something that doesn't happen often.
Once in a blue moon, we go out for a fancy dinner. I watch TV once in a blue moon, usually when I'm sick. I eat fast food only once in a blue moon.
Emma and her cousin live in different countries. They used to see each other every summer, but now it happens once in a blue moon. So when they finally meet, they spend the whole day together, catching up and making new memories. Today we've learned anticipation, undermine, lucrative, inevitably, once in a blue moon. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.